Hey guys, we're looking at this application here called PixelLab. Very great application for editing pretty much any thumbnail or channel banner, you name it. Very good application. So make sure you watch a full video and stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe. Anyways guys, let's get straight into the tutorial. So here's pretty much the home screen of the application. It may look crazy, but it's very simple to use. So here you pretty much have your text. You can pretty much edit it, just tap on it, or you go at the top here, down here, tap on edit. You can pretty much edit the text and also enlarge the size as well. If you want that, by tapping on that over there, you can delete the text there and also save it. Let's say you want to add something. Let's tap on save. Just tap on OK here. And that's how you pretty much edit your text. And you can see here pretty much other features here like color and color, the texture. If you want to add the image background of the text, you can add it as well. And down here, you just have some other features like font, and you can add these, change it and so forth. You can add the background as well. As you can see there, this here can edit this. And also some other features. So here you have the 3D option. So here you have the 3D option, as you can see there, and the reflection option. So that's pretty much it for the text. Let's say you want to delete it now. You just tap on the pin icon at the top here, as you can see. I'll tap on that, pretty much delete anything. All you gotta do, you just tap on or select it, and you pretty much good to go. Just tap on OK there, and the text will be removed. You can also change the background that you see here. As I can see here, I have different options to choose from. As you can see here, quite a lot of, not a lot, but good amount of options. So that's pretty much it for that there. Here you have the tap on this here to get the section where you can add your own image. Just tap on image here, or you can just go from gallery and it will add it here. Let me just make this real quick. And here you have different option as well. As you can see, front camera can take a picture right away and upload it here, and you're good to go. Now at the top here, you can also add your image instead of not the background, but add an image. Let's say you have something from a gallery that needs to go in your thumbnail or something like that. Just tap on the plus icon at the top there. You can either add a text, or you can just tap on the add from a gallery. You can go there and pretty much select whichever image you want to add. So you can also add a shape as well. After tap on the shapes option, you can go down here, tap on the arrow icon there, and you have quite a lot of shapes you can choose from. And once you have selected your shape that you want, I'm going to select this one here, and I can also scroll down and give the option to edit. As you can see, edit the shape and also change the color as well. So you have to just scroll down and look at the features that you want, or the things that you want to be edited. And once you're finished, you just tap on the ticky icon there, and you're good to go. As well, if you have done something that you know you shouldn't do, or you made an error, you can always tap on this icon here. It will undo anything that you have done. Do make sure once you have, let's say you have made an error, you press on this icon to go back. Because if you don't do that and you add a image or you made a different edit, then you won't be able to go back. So do keep that in mind. As well, you can, once you're finished, you have the save option at the top there, which you can pretty much save your image or thumbnail that you have created. And here you have the layer option. This is pretty much where, let's say you have a text. Let me add a text real quick. So this is the text here. And let's say you want to put something, the text here, let me just change it to something that can be easily added, like a shape, as you can see here. Let's say I want the text to be over a shape. All I gotta do is just go over here and hold long press it and swipe it up. And the text should be over there. And as I can see there, let's tap on it again. Let's tap on this to remove it. and as you can see, the text is over this sheet. So that's one way you can go about putting the text over the sheet, as you can see here, or if you want to put text over things. So that's pretty much it for that there. And in the three dots over here, you have the remove ads option, which pretty much requires subscription. And as I can see at the top, you have the use image, which you can pretty much use the image which I've shown earlier. You can either go through this option to add a background image by tapping on the three dots, tap on use image from background from gallery, and you're pretty much good to go. You can also fix the size of this here, so as you can see here. So that's pretty much it for that. And also you can edit the image size based on, let's say you're making a profile picture or you're making a YouTube thumbnail. You have the option to choose based on what you're making on. All you gotta do, let me just go back real quick, image size, and also you got the option to select which one you're doing. Let's say you're making a channel banner. Let's tap on channel banner, then tap on OK, and you're good to go. And once you finish, as I said before, just tap on the save icon at the top there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can also export the image as well. Pretty much the same thing as saving. Or you can use an image from the camera, meaning you just take a picture, as I said before. Take a picture right away and it will just use that image that you have, or picture that you have taken. So that's really pretty much it. And as you can see here, you have the auto recovery option here. This, once you tap on this, it will pretty much, it automatically saves for you. So let's say I've edited let's say a photo 3 days back. You can go back and always check on that edit that you have made 3 days back, as I can see here. And you can also scroll down and see more as well. But I haven't created much edit, so you won't see more, or give me the option to scroll. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very, very easy to use, guys. And if I've missed anything or you have any questions you want to ask, just feel free to comment below. I would gladly love to help, guys. And with all that, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.